I came across this video that they connect two batteries by the side, then extra two battery at the down to be able to power this bulb, and I decide to give this a try to see if I can be able to achieve this goal. Now let's go. This is the two things which I got: the bulb, I don't know if it's the same thing, then 4 batteries which we're going to be using for this video. So we have to remove the bulb from the box, which is the new bulb, then the battery also, we need to unwrap it for us to be able to try this. I don't know if this bulb is exactly what they use or is quite different from whatsoever, but we are going to give this a try to see if all this experiment, all this science stuff in which we see online is actually true. So we unwrap the battery to see if we are going to be able to achieve this. And if you also want to give, you can also give this a try on your own and by yourself and try all these things to see if it actually work. And make sure to like this video and let me know what you think about these things. So we are connecting the batteries. At times it's quite difficult to be able to balance this battery so that it could be able to have a good contact, and sometimes something like this kind of things are somehow frustrating because you may be setting one and the other one will be moving. So we are trying it, but it's not coming. Now I need to be able to try it in another way, because you can see I'm holding the bulb and connecting the battery. The whole things are not staying in place, they are all moving while I'm connecting one, and it's not working. My neighbor is at the background singing. These are some of the things in which we experience in a public compound. At times you want to do some recording, they can't allow you to be able to make your recording because sounds will be coming from all angles. So we need to try and reset this thing. I've tried it first, this is the second time we're trying it to see. You can see the batteries moving, and I don't know why all these things are happening. The bulb can't stay one place, the battery can't stay one place. And leave in a comment if you have a neighbor like this that also sings a lot, that at times you need quietness. And even right now there's no noise going on in the environment, but still we find people talking a lot, singing very loud, which I think is at times, sometimes we just need peace. So we are trying this bulb and you can see it's not working. It's so frustrating. After looking at all these things online, you think you can be able to give this a try. At the end of the day, you're unable to achieve this thing. So I want to try putting this battery. It's falling off. Let me try it. So leave a comment. Have you been in a kind of compound that there's a whole lot of noise that you want to record and you're unable to record something like this? I really want this thing to work because I want to prove to know if actually all these science things we see online is actually true. And I find it difficult holding this battery. I've tried everything. This battery is not holding. I'm even tired. You can see I tried the other way. I tried this other one. I'm trying to hold it to see, even if I give up. I can't do this anymore.